Halo semuanya, saya Bastian dari 12F dan hari ini saya akan melakukan video pembelajaran dan akan membahas tentang soal-soal ujian di mana saya untuk remedial, dan saya akan membahas 3 soal wajib dan 3 soal minat.
Alright, so here's the question number 1. We've got the question: solve limit x squared minus 4 over x squared plus 4x minus 12 where the x approaches to 2. How can we solve this from here? Look at this. This is quadratic equation, so we're gonna use this. So we put the same thing where limit x approaches 2, x squared minus 4. How do we get 4 minus 4? Yes, we start with the quadratic equation where x plus 2 and x minus 2, and then over this. How can we use the quadratic equation? We got 6 and 2, so then we're going to get x plus 6 and x minus 2. For the limit x approaches 2, there's x minus 2 and x minus 2, so cross that, leaving this only. X plus 2 over x plus 6. We got this done. We're just going to put where x is 2. Put the 2 in here. So that means 2 plus 2 over 2 plus 6. And then we get 4 over 8. We're going to summarize this like I'm going to use 4. Sorry about that. To make it better, it's become 1 over 2. Yes.
Question number 2 is solve limit x approaches 2 where x squared minus 5x plus 6 over x squared plus 2x minus 8. Limit x approaches 2, x plus 3 and x minus 2 over, so we get plus 4 minus 2. We just cross them out, leave it with this. So limit x approaches 2, x plus 3 and x plus 4. We just put this 2 inside, so it becomes 2 plus 3 over 2 plus 4. So it becomes 5 over 6, and that's the answer.
Is limit x approaches 3 where 9 minus x squared over 4 minus root x squared plus 7. Okay, here I'm going to show you. Limit x approaches 3 where 9 equals x squared, 4 minus x squared plus 7. We need to get rid of the roots of the denominator. So how can we get rid of it? We use this. So we times it with 4 plus, we do the opposite, this is minus, we do plus, x squared plus 7 over 4 plus x squared plus 7. Now that makes 9 minus x squared with the bracket 4 plus root x squared plus 7 over, you know it times, right? So 4 times 4 is 16 plus, oh wait, never mind, it's minus, and minus, so it means minus. With this, the roots are gone, so it's only left x squared plus 7, where limit x approaches 3, where it equals, is this supposed to be right? I guess so. 16 minus 7 equals 9 over x squared. Oh, we get this. Let's cross it again. Yes. Now it's left us with limit x approaches 3 where 4 plus x squared plus 7. Now let's put in the 3 into the x. 4 plus 3 squared equals to 9 plus 7, where it goes to 4 plus root 16. What is the root of 16? It's 4. So it's only left us with 4 plus 4. We get the answer 8 for wajib. The first question, given that point A where it is 6, minus 2 and minus 6, and B 3, 4, 6, and C is x, y, and 2 are collinear. Well, what is the value of x plus y? Start from making the factor first. Factor AB, where there's k, a, c. This is based on the formula, rumus, to get this for the x and y. So we're just going to put with a and b. It becomes b minus factor a, where k gets same thing, c factor times a vector. What's in here? 3, 4, 6 minus a 6 minus 2 and minus 6 equals to k times what do you see? X, y, and 2 times with a 6 minus 2 minus 6 minus 3 minus 6, and we got 4 minus 2, it becomes positive, so 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 6, we got 12 equals to k times factor c minus factor a. That gets us to k with x minus 3, y minus 4, and 4. So we take from 12 with minus 4k. Then we get the k equals minus 3. Since we get the k, let's take again, but to find the x. Where did we get the k is minus 3? Put in minus 3x plus 9, and then we get minus 12 equals minus 3x. Then we get the x minus, not minus 4, sorry. We get the x, now it's time for the y. We get 6 equals minus 3y plus 12, where minus 6 equals minus 3y. Then y is 2 because minus 6 divided by minus 3 gives us 2. Now the question asks, what's the value of x plus c? X, where's x? X is 4, y is 2. Just make x plus y, and that makes us 4 plus 2. So the answer, the value is 6. Number 2. Given that vector a xi minus 2j plus 5k is perpendicular to vector b 3xi plus xj minus k, well, then the value of x that satisfies this is with b equals 0. It's supposed to be minus, am I right? So I take this x, this is minus 4, this is minus 2. And for this, we take 2x, 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 and minus 3. Alright, now it's time is in. So it becomes 2x squared, minus with 4 times 2, it's minus 8. Minus 8x, minus 2, and minus 8 becomes plus, so it's plus 16. Oh, it's supposed to be 6, wait, yes. It's plus 6. So 2, this, I'm going to throw this to here, times it, so it becomes x squared alone, minus 8x, plus 6 times 2, 12, equals to 0. So what's the question equation? We got x minus 6 and x minus 2. The negative, we see that there's 2, we were 2, so this is supposed to be divided by 2, this got divided by 2, so the x equals to 3, this is x1, and x2 we get 1, because from negative to positive, negative to positive. Now that's for number 3. Given the vector a minus 4i minus 5i plus k and point p equals minus 1, 1, minus 3, with the magnitude pq, where the magnitude is factor a, where factor a, when the factor pq is opposite direction to factor a, then the magnitude of factor q is pq first equals to factor a, and then it says the opposite. For this one, change this, so q minus p opposite, it means minus. And it asks us to get what is q. Let's throw. So we got minus from here. We got 4 plus, it's supposed to be 4 with 5 and minus 1 plus minus 1, 1 and minus 3. 4 plus minus 1, 3, 5 plus 1, 6, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4. For magnitude, we need to put a root and square all of them. So 3 square plus 6 square minus 4 square. That gives us 9, 36, and plus 16. And then the magnitude of q. Factor q is root of root 61, and that's the answer. Pembahasan dari saya untuk ujian minat. Sekali lagi terima kasih telah mendengarkan. Mohon terima